Hi. Okay, so let's talk about commerce. What did you think? So, of course, it's been an interesting few months, and I am still trying to solve for what I've always been trying to solve for. One is the fact that how do you make sure that the business goes on despite you being physically present, and second is how do you make sure that everything that you do has a certain heart to it, had a certain rasa to it, and it's not boring, and it's not transactional, and it's not status quo. So how do you kind of go and do things which are a lot more felt and which are not so give and take. So that's the attempt. So with Talking Twin, and now I think we have a team and we're trying to do more work with Talking Twin. What we're trying to do is character-led conversational commerce. What does that mean? Traditionally, an Amul girl has sold you all the Amul products. Traditionally, a Barbie has sold you movies and everything else. Similarly, we are saying that we need characters. Characters can be real life, they can be imaginative, they can be anything. So we are basically creating characters on behalf of brands and storytellers. We are also converting storytellers into characters. So that's one. Conversational. So character-led conversational commerce. Conversational is there is a certain dialogue style in how Amul girl talks to you or how Barbie talks to you. So we decide that conversation style, we decide the medium through which you talk. So currently in India, for example, everybody talks to you through WhatsApp, email, SMS, IVR. So we integrate that. So that's the second conversation layer. And commerce is, of course, what do you commerce? What do you transact on? You transact on a catalog. The catalog can be digital SKUs, it could be physical retail or physical items. So digital SKU is a course. It could be a booking. A digital SKU could be an item. It could be food. It could be grocery. So all of this combined is character-led conversation commerce. And what is very, very interesting is the character part and also the dialogue part, because you need to be a storyteller to be able to do dialoguing, to build characters like Spider-Man, like every other character that you love out there, Kai Kai Girl from Invisible Universe. What happens is you have to have the imagination to build this. It doesn't have to be human. It can be imaginative, right? I can create a unicorn for all I care. So the character build, which is digital character, voice plus video, is beautiful. We are really enjoying this work. So with the brands that we're reaching out to, the companies that we're working with, we are completely relooking at how commerce gets done, because voice first, language first, character first, catalog, all the hard stuff, all the nuts and bolts that come together to enable this go in the back, so you don't have to worry about it. But you definitely do have to have imagination and bring that on the table and have fun with the customer. Likes to be told stories, and we are telling stories in our own way, right?